This chicken and rice has become my favorite go-to meal when I want something delicious but still healthy. Let me share the ingredients with you. To season the chicken, all you need is salt, pepper, garlic, and olive oil. I put everything in a bowl and mix it with the chicken. Now, if you don't know how to cut the chicken, I'm going to show you how to easily cut into small cubes. I personally don't like the fatty parts, so I start by trimming all of that off using this knife. It has the perfect blade width for comfortable cutting. If you haven't seen my previous videos, you should know that how easy and fast you cut depends a lot on your knife. Once I've removed all the wanted bits, I like to wash the chicken. I know there is a lot of controversy around washing chicken, but I have been doing it for years and I suggest you do it too, because sometimes the chicken comes with dirt and you never know how it was handled before it got to you. Just remember, when working with chicken, you have to clean everything you use really well afterward, or you can get sick from any kind of bacteria. I even recommend putting a little bleach in the sink once you're done, just to be safe. I cut the chicken into thin strips first, then turn it and keep cutting until I get small pieces like this. You can make them whatever size you prefer, but just make sure they are all about the same size so they cook evenly. Once that's done, mix the chicken with the seasonings you already have in the bowl. Now let's heat over to the stove. Something you should always remember is let the pan heat up before adding any oil. Once it's hot, go ahead and add your oil, preferably one that can handle high heat. Then add the chicken. Cook on high heat for about 1 minute on each side. Then lower the heat so the chicken finishes cooking in its own juices without burning. Finally, I make the salad with my favorite veggies. Drizzle a bit of coconut oil over the rice, garnish with cilantro, and that's it. And if you don't know how to make this salad, I have a video on the channel showing you how to do it. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments.